In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front wipers on your Toyota Highlander. The process is going to be the same for both sides. Grab this little tab and pull up. Lift the wiper arm up, twist down, and push down. And that will allow you to release the wiper. Do not let go of this and let it smack the windshield. It can crack the windshield. Have your new wipers nearby. There will be one side that this fits. Pull it up. Once you have it set in there, give it a wiggle front to back and make sure it does not come out the back.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.